Aries, 21st October 2024. Love, communication is key today. If you've been holding back in your relationship, this is a great time to have an honest conversation with your partner. For singles, opening up to someone you admire may lead to a meaningful connection. Career, your determination is impressive, and you are ready to tackle new challenges at work. A new opportunity could arise, so stay alert and proactive in your projects. Overall well-being, focus on balancing your energy levels. Ensure that you are taking time for both mental stimulation and physical relaxation. Advice: be open to dialogue in your relationships. Honesty will bring you closer to your goals, both personally and professionally. Taurus, 21st October 2024. Love, today, you'll feel the desire for emotional security in your relationship. If you are in a committed partnership, focus on deepening your connection through open communication. Singles may be more inclined to seek someone who offers stability and long-term potential. Career, a slow and steady approach to work will pay off. Stay diligent in your tasks, even if the progress seems slow. Your patience will be rewarded soon. Overall well-being, you are in a reflective mood today. Take some time to unwind and recharge. Ground yourself with activities like meditation or a peaceful walk in nature. Advice: patience is key in both love and work. Don't rush the process, trust that things will unfold in their own time. Gemini, 21st October 2024. Love, communication is key today. Whether in a relationship or single, you'll feel the need to express your thoughts and feelings openly. Your partner or potential love interest will appreciate your honesty, and it will bring you closer. Singles may find an unexpected connection through casual conversations. Career, your versatility will shine at work. Multitasking comes naturally today, so take advantage of this to handle various projects efficiently. You may even impress your colleagues with your ability to juggle tasks. Overall well-being, mentally, you are sharp, but physically you may feel a bit restless. Consider incorporating physical activities into your day to burn off some excess energy. Advice: keep your communication clear and honest, both in personal and professional settings. Your words have the power to connect and influence others today. Cancer, 21st October 2024. Love, you may feel emotionally sensitive today, making you crave more emotional security from your partner. It's a great day for heart-to-heart conversations. Singles may feel introspective, which can lead to a deeper understanding of what they need in a partner. Career, your nurturing energy will be appreciated at work. Helping others and working on team projects will bring you a sense of fulfillment. It's a good day to offer support to colleagues who might need a helping hand. Overall well-being, you may feel emotionally vulnerable today. Ground yourself with comforting activities, spending time with loved ones or engaging in self-care routines will help restore your balance. Advice: take time to connect with your emotions. It's okay to be vulnerable, but make sure to communicate your needs clearly to avoid misunderstandings. Leo, 21st October 2024. Love, passion will reign today. Your charismatic energy will make you irresistible, and your partner may feel drawn to your confident and warm nature. If single, your boldness will attract potential love interests, who admire your strength and creativity. Career, a strong sense of leadership will guide you today. Whether you are managing a project or presenting ideas, you'll inspire those around you. Use this energy to showcase your talents and push forward with ambitious goals. Overall well-being, you feel vibrant and energized today. Physical activities or creative outlets will allow you to express this abundance of energy. Stay balanced by indulging in some self-care after a busy day. Advice: lead with passion, but remember to stay grounded. While your fiery energy is admirable, balance it with patience and empathy in relationships and work. Virgo, 21st October 2024. Love. Today, you may find yourself craving deeper emotional connections with your partner. For singles, you may feel more introspective, analyzing past relationships and seeking clarity on what you truly want in love. Career, it's a productive day for detailed work. Your analytical nature will shine, and your ability to stay focused on tasks will bring you closer to your career goals. Use this time to review important details in ongoing projects. Overall well-being, you are feeling calm and collected today, which allows you to focus on your health and personal well-being. Incorporating a healthy routine like a short workout or a nutritious meal will set the tone for the rest of your week. Advice: don't shy away from emotional vulnerability. Open up to those you trust, as meaningful conversations can help deepen connections. Libra, 21st October 2024. Love. Today is a perfect day to focus on harmony in your relationships. You'll find yourself seeking balance and peace, and your charm will make it easy to resolve any lingering issues with your partner. Singles might attract someone who appreciates their diplomatic nature. Career, your diplomatic approach will help you manage any workplace tensions today. Whether dealing with colleagues or clients, your ability to find common ground will lead to productive discussions and successful outcomes. Overall well-being, you are feeling balanced and at peace, which contributes to your overall health. This is a great day to indulge in activities that promote relaxation, such as meditation or a peaceful walk in nature. Advice: focus on maintaining balance in all areas of life today. Your calm and diplomatic energy will help you smooth out any bumps in relationships or work. Scorpio, 21st October 2024. Love. Intense emotions might surface today in your romantic life. If you are in a relationship, use this time to explore deeper conversations with your partner. Singles might feel an attraction to someone with a strong and magnetic personality. Career. Today is ideal for focusing on projects that require thorough research or investigative work. Your natural curiosity and sharp instincts will lead you to uncover valuable insights, making you stand out among your peers. Overall well-being, emotionally, you are feeling powerful and in control. However, don't forget to take care of your physical self. Engage in activities that channel your inner energy productively, such as yoga or martial arts. Advice: dive deep into your passions today. Whether in love or work, your intensity and focus will help you achieve success, but be mindful of keeping balance to avoid overexertion. Sagittarius, 21st October 2024. Love. Today, you might find your adventurous spirit igniting in your love life. If you are in a relationship, consider planning a spontaneous outing or adventure together. If single, be open to meeting someone intriguing while exploring new places. Career, you are feeling particularly optimistic and confident at work. Use this positive energy to tackle projects that require innovative thinking. Your ability to see the bigger picture will impress colleagues and supervisors alike. Overall well-being, physically, you are likely to feel energized and motivated. Engage in activities that allow you to express your freedom, like outdoor sports or fun workout. Just be cautious not to overdo it. Listen to your body. Advice: embrace your adventurous side today. Whether in love or work, don't be afraid to take risks and explore new opportunities. Trust that your instincts will guide you to positive outcomes. Capricorn, 21st October 2024. Love, you may feel a stronger desire for stability in your relationships today. If you are in a relationship, discuss future plans with your partner to ensure you are on the same page. For singles, be open to meeting someone who shares your long-term goals. Career, your practical approach will serve you well today. Focus on setting realistic goals and making detailed plans to achieve them. Colleagues will appreciate your organization and foresight, and this could lead to new opportunities. Overall well-being, you may feel a bit weighed down by responsibilities. Make time for self-care and relaxation to recharge your energy. A short walk or light exercise can help lift your spirits. Advice: remember to balance your ambitions with self-care. A strong foundation in your personal life will enhance your professional pursuits. Aquarius, 21st October 2024. Love, today is all about communication in your relationships. If you are in a partnership, consider having an open discussion about your future together. If you are single, be honest about your feelings when meeting someone new. Authenticity will attract the right kind of energy. Career, your innovative ideas will shine today. Don't hesitate to share your unique perspective during meetings or brainstorming sessions. Your creative approach could inspire your colleagues and lead to exciting projects. Overall well-being, you may feel a bit scattered today. Taking time to ground yourself through meditation or yoga can help you regain focus and clarity. A short walk in nature could also rejuvenate your mind. Advice: prioritize honest conversations and embrace your creative side in all areas of life. Pisces, 21st October 2024. Love, today encourages deep emotional connections. If you are in a relationship, consider discussing your dreams and aspirations with your partner. This could strengthen your bond. If you are single, engaging in heartfelt conversations can draw someone special closer. Career, your intuitive insights are heightened today, allowing you to see solutions to problems that others might miss. Trust your instincts and don't hesitate to offer your unique perspective during discussions at work. Overall well-being, you might feel a bit overwhelmed by your emotions today. It's important to take breaks when needed. Practicing mindfulness or meditation can help you stay grounded. Advice: embrace emotional openness in love and trust your intuition in your professional environment.